Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Chermo. Welcome back at you with another video. Today, I'm gonna show you the footage I've gotten since I've been here, traveling days and stuff. It's not a lot. I don't really take my camera out. I've done a lot of things. Sometimes forget to take my camera, and even when I do, I forget to record because I'm just trying to live stream and stuff. But we're in New Zealand. It's third week here, I think. So I got 3 more weeks, 2 more weeks. The last video y'all saw me and I was going through a lot of stuff. When I get back to the States, probably talk more about what happened and stuff. My head right now is a little better than what it's been. I stopped taking my pills since I've been here, so things are looking a lot brighter. But I still have days. They're really bad. No matter how happy I try to be, I just can't be. Bought a couple things since I've been here. I'll probably do a loot haul here or when I go back. But if you guys want to see the loot haul here, because I bought quite a bit of stuff already, tell me in the comments. But this, I just put together the footage I got. It's me at the airport. Me meeting some people, me playing some pool. I forgot the rest. It's not nothing crazy. You don't have to watch the video, obviously, but if you do, please leave a like so I know you guys are still with me. I will try my best to record more. $3,000 for a sweater.
How do I put this vertical? Straight.
Sorry, you're tall, you know? Like,
I don't know how to do it. How do I make it go straight?
you like raise it.
Wait.
Do you have it on?
Yeah, I do.
How much does it cost to go up to the side of the view?
30.
The GoPro could be good when you jump off of some of the quarry.